I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oat banana cookies. First, ensure you have 2 very ripe bananas, 1 and 1/2 cups of rolled oats, and any optional additions like 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or a teaspoon of cinnamon. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, healthy treat that everyone will love, using minimal ingredients for maximum flavor. Once your oven is preheating, mash the 2 ripe bananas in a medium bowl until smooth. Next, add 1 and 1/2 cups of rolled oats to the mashed bananas. Stir these ingredients together until they are well combined. Now is the perfect time to fold in any extra flavors, such as 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, a dash of vanilla extract, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Mix gently until everything is evenly distributed. Now that your dough is ready, drop rounded spoonfuls onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave a little space between each cookie. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges appear lightly golden brown. Once baked, remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely for about 10 minutes. Your delicious oat banana cookies are now ready to enjoy. They make a fantastic, healthy snack or a light breakfast. For optimal freshness, store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. They are also great for meal prepping throughout the week. Remember to check the description for a link to discover great deals and new ways to enjoy your favorite stories, along with other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.